Wow, this property is so cute. I can see why it had, I think, 11 offers. Okay, so let's go in. This is the main house. This is cute, covered wraparound porch. The sauna's over there. The shop obviously is right here. Okay. Love the flooring choices. I mean, this is pretty rustic. They have a pretty rustic really beautiful, really beautiful. Fantastic flooring, really fun space. Okay. So this is like actually the only bedroom, which is a decent size. This is a queen size bed, but a king would easily fit. This is the only bathroom. Once again, large. It's the only one, but it is like a good size. Okay. This way we have laundry and mudroom, which is really nice for the winter. Gonna track dirt into the house. Okay. And then this is like the area. Super cute. Okay. Super cute. Okay. Let's go look at the shop. Love this little whimsical reused brick path here. Beautiful trees. Okay, let's look at this garden. So cute. A lot of garden space. They're obviously not really using or harvesting anything, but there's not a lot of weeds. They are maintaining it, which is nice. So we have a water spigot. Really, I love how they have obviously the garage, but then they do have the covered parking. It's a great addition. This is a really fantastic place. I mean, this could be, you know, a second house, honestly. Let's go upstairs. Plenty of headspace here. Really great shop. Really cute, dreamy, whimsical, property. The home space is limited, but for a person or two, maybe a small kid, it's pretty hard to beat. And the thing is, like, you have so much land here, you really could expand when the timing is right for your family. We're gonna walk over to the sauna. Really beautiful, freshly stained porch, fantastic trees. So the sauna an outdoor shower. So this is just a lean-to for garden supplies, and then that's a little she shed, which is locked. But really cool little property. The fence line's right there. Really, really cool. Super eclectic spot.